What's up, guys? And today we're going to be showing you how to put in an embed code on your Weebly.
First, you log into Weebly. Then, make sure you use your username and password, but your password with capital BMS first. Now go to the plus section. Now you scroll down to embed code. So once you drag and drop your embed code, you see custom HTML. You press edit, and once you press edit, you'll see custom HTML. So you press that and type and delete all that. Now we'll go to Safari and go to this place called embed.ly. So then now we are going to paste something in the URL so we can embed it to Weebly. So we'll be embedding this website to Weebly. So then now I'm gonna copy this and paste it. Now you press embed, and once you're there, you'll see embed code. That's your embed code that you're gonna set in your custom HTML. So now we copied that. Now we're gonna go into Weebly. So we'll click to set custom HTML, and once we open that, we'll press custom HTML, edit it, and press paste, and that's our embed right there. So then when you tap out, you'll see the embed code generator. That's what we use, and that is how you embed something into Weebly. Okay, Curryman out.